What if one simple sketch, drawn on the margins of a factory ledger, could change the outcome of a global war? In 1942, the United States was still mobilizing its industrial might for World War II, and on the outskirts of Independence, Missouri, the sprawling Lake City Army ammunition plant was tasked with producing small arms ammunition on an unprecedented scale. The urgency was staggering. American forces overseas were running dangerously low on bullets, and every round counted. Inside the plant, machines ground relentlessly, but bottlenecks and delays threatened to stall production. It was here, amid the clanging presses and endless conveyor belts, that a 19-year-old line worker, let's call her Mary, noticed something others had overlooked. A portion of the assembly line relied heavily on manual handling, slowing the flow and wasting precious hours. Without hesitation, Mary sketched a revised workflow on a scrap of paper, detailing the sequence of machines, the timing of component feeds, and a simple rerouting to eliminate the bottleneck. Though she was not an engineer, her idea caught the attention of supervisors and industrial planners. Over days of adjustment, her design was integrated into the plant's production process. What had once been a struggling line now moved smoothly and efficiently, contributing to the production of millions of rounds per day. This increase in output, replicated across similar plants nationwide, ensured that troops in North Africa, Europe, and the Pacific had the ammunition they desperately needed, sustaining both defensive and offensive operations. Behind every bullet was the sweat, ingenuity, and determination of workers like Mary, who labored long hours under intense pressure, often without recognition. These ordinary individuals became the quiet backbone of the war effort, demonstrating that innovation did not always come from generals or engineers, but from those willing to confront a problem and act decisively. By the war's end, plants like Lake City had produced billions of rounds, helping to tip the balance in favor of the Allies. Mary's sketch, seemingly insignificant at the time, had a ripple effect far beyond the factory walls, exemplifying how individual initiative and practical ingenuity could alter the course of history. Her story reminds us that victory in war is not only won on the battlefield, but also in the factories, where courage and creativity meet necessity.